Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with DSM Tool Dropshipping software, my honest usage review. DSM Tool Dropshipping software is aimed at e-commerce entrepreneurs, specifically those interested in or actively practicing dropshipping. It essentially automates many of the tedious tasks involved in running a dropshipping business, like product sourcing, listing optimization, price monitoring, and order fulfillment. Key features include automated listing, inventory management, and repricing tools. Their website provides details on their different subscription plans and the features included in each. They emphasize ease of use, claiming even beginners can quickly get started with their platform. While they don't explicitly mention no contracts, their subscription model seems to operate on a month-to-month basis. DSM Tool positions itself as a more comprehensive solution compared to some competitors, offering more automation features and integrations with various marketplaces like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Shopify. You can check availability and features directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using DSM Tool Dropshipping software. Setting up my account was pretty straightforward. The initial onboarding process guided me through connecting my selling channels and setting up my preferences. Navigating the interface was initially a bit overwhelming due to the sheer number of features, but after watching a few of their tutorial videos, I got the hang of it. I particularly liked the product research tool. It helped me find some interesting products with decent profit margins. Listing items on eBay was a breeze thanks to the automated listing feature, which pulled in product information and images directly from suppliers. I also used the repricing tool to stay competitive, and it definitely helped increase my sales. Performance-wise, the software was generally reliable, though occasionally I experienced some minor lags, particularly when dealing with large inventories. I had a quick question about integrating with a specific supplier, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, displaying key metrics like sales, profit, and inventory levels in a clear and concise manner. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated order fulfillment. It saved me hours of manual work. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, which would be convenient for managing my store on the go. It also took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for repricing and profit optimization. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with DSM Tool. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and significantly streamlined my dropshipping operations. That's my overview of DSM Tool Dropshipping software. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.